Hello and welcome back to Cooking with the Robies. Today we're going to do some baby back ribs. I got them right here. I already pulled the membrane off, patted them down, got them all cleaned up. We're going to do some baby back ribs, broccoli, baked potatoes. Just for me and my daughter because my wife and son, they're in the Philippines right now. But hey, let's get to it. Show you how to do this. And we're not going to be doing this outside like I normally do. I do it in my smoker, my vertical, or my I got a couple of different smokers outside, but we're going to be doing this right in the kitchen in the oven. Let's get to it, show you how we do it. Alright, so we're going to start off with a little bit of mustard. I already took the membrane off. Just a little bit of mustard. Get it. Just so my seasonings bind pretty easy. Flip her over here. That's done. Now it's debatable if if you take the membrane out. I'm baking these, so I really wanted that membrane out. Gonna add a little, since I'm not using my smoker, just gonna add a little bit of liquid smoke. Maybe 2 drops, 3 drops. You don't want to use a lot of this. Gonna come in with some smoked paprika. Cut it down. Flip it over. Come back in on the other side. Gonna move into, you can use any kind of rub you like. I use Grill Mates. It's the sweet and smoky rub. I don't know if you can see that right there, but yeah. It comes out really good. Get that. Get a nice even coat on there. Give it a little pat. Come in here on the other side. But yeah, you can use any kind of, whatever your favorite is, I like Grill Mates. Use this a lot when I'm, especially on pork. If I'm doing a dry rub, I like to put it on pork. It comes out wonderful. This is about there. Get a little pat. I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes and let it get tacky. I'm gonna be baking these at 300. For 2.5 hours. I got 2 medium-sized baked potatoes. These will take about, I don't know, between 70 to 90 minutes. So I'll put it in here when I put these in. Okay, so it's all tacky now. And the one last thing I'm gonna do is add a little apple cider vinegar in this pouch that I'm making. Just a little bit. That'll help tenderize it. Gonna get this all wrapped up. Lift up on this side. Gonna set it on here. And the oven's still coming up to temp, so when the oven gets to temp, we're gonna get her in the oven baking. Timer set. Gonna open it up. Stick it in the center rack. And then get my 2 baked potatoes in here too. All right, close it out. Get back with you in 2.5 hours. So we're about an hour and 4 minutes into this cook. The ribs still have an hour and 26 minutes for 2.5 hours. The potatoes I'm gonna take out because these are 2 like medium to large potatoes. So I'm gonna do them 90 minutes. Instead of the 70, I'll do it 90 minutes. So when this gets down to the 90-minute mark, well, actually, we got an hour in already. That's 30. When this gets down to 1 hour left, I'll take the potatoes out. Okay, we're at 1 hour left. Let's get the potatoes out. This one out. Ooh. Got 2 potatoes out. Don't let those sit. They've been in there 90 minutes. Now we got 59 minutes more left. Okay, so now we're at the 2.5 hour mark. Let's get this out of here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's open her up. Oh, yeah. Get this sauce on here. All right, so we got the juice out. I'm gonna flip this over here. See, we got the pull back right there. Now we're just gonna go ahead and get our barbecue sauce on there. Just gonna get these all seasoned up. Smells so delicious right now. And for the barbecue sauce, I'm using some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what I'm using for it. Turn these over. Get it on the other side. Sweet and smoky rub. We'll get just tap a little bit on the outside. Then we're gonna stick her back in the oven. Another 30 minutes. These ribs gonna be done. All right, let's get the broccoli in here. It's all cleaned up, cubed up. These little pieces out. Now we're going to do the broccoli for 6 minutes. That's about it. After 6 minutes, we're going to get this stuff going again. All right, broccoli's on. They're getting there. This is halfway through. I'm gonna add a little salt. Add a little pepper. Pepper is a good combination with broccoli. And then I already made some butter with chives. Some butter with chives. I'm gonna add that in there. And then the other butter with chives is going in our baked potato. Now I could have added some Alfredo sauce on here, but my daughter wants a healthier meal today. Then we'll put the top back on. That's good. Okay, the ribs are done. You can see that pullback on the bones. And then I'm gonna get the potato ready. And my daughter gonna eat. The broccoli's ready. The potato, I just gotta cut that and put some chives and butter in there, and then some sour cream. And it's ready. All right, let's start with this baked potato. Get her cut there. Puffed out. Oh. I'm gonna turn around and put my chives and butter. And get my sour cream in here. Then we're gonna get some broccoli. Got my broccoli in there. Got my ribs in here. I'm gonna turn them over because they're easier to cut when I can see the bone. We're gonna pop those out of there. Got our nice ribs in there. Baked potato. And we got our broccoli. I'm gonna taste one of these, the small one. That fall off the bone. Two bites and I got a bone looking like that. All right, it's done. Waiting for my daughter to come in here. She's ready to eat. If you like my channel, subscribe. Hit that like notification if you like the content I'm doing. I want you guys to enjoy the food that we're cooking. And follow us for the next one, because I'm getting ready to do a pasta video shortly. All right, until the next one, bam, I'm out of here.